Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2001 Honda S2000. To begin this project, you will need a 10mm socket or wrench to take off the negative terminal first off the battery post. And also too, there's a battery bracket that is across the battery itself. You want to unloosen those bolts as well. Just use your 10mm socket, turn it clockwise, and you will feel that battery bracket loosen up those bolts. You'll be able to take that bracket off as well. Your next step is you want to go and take off your positive terminal nets on this battery as well. Once you get those cables off, you'll be able to lift this battery directly out of the vehicle itself. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery itself back into this 2001 Honda S2000. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation, and we are adding great value today to showing you exactly how to install your battery. Please like the video, share the video, and also to subscribe to the channel as well. We're uploading all types of makes and model of vehicles, of installs. We do golf carts, we do boats, we do amazing things with bulldozers, and all types of installs we do here at Battery Guyz with a Z.com. And what you want to do, you want to go get that battery bracket back across the battery itself. And once you get that battery bracket back down over the center, just use the two screws you took off. Just get them started with your fingers first to get them screwed in first. And once you get both of those screws screwed in, then you can use your 10mm socket or wrench to continue tightening up these bolts. What you want to do, you want to go ahead and tighten up your positive terminal nets on this battery itself. Then you proceed to your positive post, will be your last step in this project, and tighten up that positive post as well. Just turn your socket or your wrench clockwise till you feel the bolt tighten up itself. Okay, let's make sure all your bolts are tightened up. That's what we're doing here now, just making sure that all the bolts on the battery bracket and the positive and the negative terminals are tightened up well to complete this project itself. But overall, this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2001 Honda S2000, which is a very nice car, classic car as well. Just make sure that you like the video as well. We're adding great value today as well. Thanks for watching.